The next morning, Elaine prepares for her third and final gorilla trek in Uganda.
It doesn't matter that we're doing this. The sounds of the waterfalls and the brook and the stream was wonderful. And then I get to this spot where there isn't anybody other than the ranger. And I thought, where did everybody go? And I said to him, where did everybody go? And he looked at me and he went, and I said, where? And I look, and I said to him, where's the path? And he looked at me and he said, no path. There is a picture of me standing at the bottom of this face, all right? He said, if you sit there, I'm gonna go up. There are 2 families. They're up there. He said, and I'm going to entice one of the families to come back down. And he said, and you're going to have them to yourself. You're in trouble now. But this was like a gift. It really was. There was 1 silverback, there was 1 female, there were 2 adolescents and a baby. And as the silverback is coming, he comes like right straight in front of me, across in front. Like we're talking, reach out and touch. If they come closer to you when they're on their path, you stay still, it's fine, but you can't approach them, all right? And so the ranger whispers, don't be afraid. And I look around and I see him coming and I thought, you don't know me at all. I'm not afraid, this is exciting. Anyway, he goes straight across and he finds his little, he's gonna have a nap. I just stood there and I thought, whoa. There's an energy that you exchange, and their family structure, the way they size you up, you know, visually and behaviorally, the way they react, there is so much in common. That was just an outstanding experience, you know, yeah. Hello.
How are you?
Oh, I've been better. I've been better.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How was it?
It was marvelous, but I'm dead. I'm absolutely dead, Ambrose.
Elaine is given a certification for completing the 3 treks. Back at the lodge, the dining room is filling up, and Elaine is preparing for her long journey back home.